Okay, so here it is. I got a focuser right here. There's a focuser, and then I've got a stepper motor. This is a standard 3D printer motor, and then a standard 3D printer belt, standard 3D printing gearing. I got a dial indicator here. It's an old one. It's beat up. It's just good for looking at small increments. And then I've got down here is a Arduino Mini Pro and a stepper motor driver and a encoder. So right now it's set up for this encoder has 20 transitions per rotation. And right now we're at 1 rotation equals 1 step on the stepper motor. So as you can see, I'm able to control that to within thousandths of an inch. Right? And I have a little, for what it's worth, I have a little chart there. So the encoder has a switch. So right now it's set up for testing. So when I push the switch, the micro does a plus or minus 90-degree rotation of the focuser wheel. So I'm going to change the resolution, the step resolution now, to 1/2. So for every transition here, I'll get 1/2 a step over here. So now I'm down to a little bit finer resolution. Here is 1/4. Right, wait a minute. Yep. Here's 1/4 resolution. So now it's barely detectable. So 1 turn here and 1 turn there versus a full step resolution, which is 1 turn here and then 1 turn here. Right here. So we'll go back to a 1/4 step. So there are far more steps per revolution, and there is 1/8, which is even finer of a resolution. There's 1 turn of the encoder, 1 turn here, and then there's plus or minus 90 degrees. And then the highest resolution is 1/16. And then 1 revolution of the encoder shows hardly. Or I made an earlier measurement, and it looks like one transition here is equal to about 1/10,000th of an inch movement on the focuser. So I think this is going to work well.